Hello, I'm Laura from Foxtecc. If you want to blur part of a photo in your Instagram story, there are a couple of ways to do it. Instagram has a built-in method, but if you need a proper blur effect, you'll need to edit the photo first. I'll walk you through both options so you can choose the best one for your needs. First, let's talk about the method inside Instagram. Open Instagram and tap your story to create a new story. Select the photo you want to blur from your gallery. Once it's on the screen, tap the Draw Pen tool in the top right corner. From the available tools, choose the highlighter and set its opacity to low. Now tap and hold on the screen to apply a soft, translucent blur effect over the entire photo. If you only want to blur specific parts, you can manually draw over those areas instead. This method works, but let's be honest, it's not a true blur. It's more like adding a hazy overlay on top of your photo. If you want a proper blur effect, I recommend editing the photo beforehand and then uploading it to Instagram. There are many free photo editing apps on the App Store that let you blur images, but one of the best options is an app called Hypic. It's completely free and easy to use. To blur your photo using Hypic, open the app and import the image you want to edit. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see different editing tools. Scroll until you find the Effects panel. Inside, there's a blur tool with multiple blur options. You can choose the one that fits best, whether you need a soft blur, motion blur, or something more creative. Once you're happy with the result, save the edited photo to your gallery. Now, when you upload it to Instagram, the blur effect will already be applied, and it will look much cleaner and more professional. That's it. Now you know how to blur a photo in Instagram stories, whether you use Instagram's built-in tools or edit it beforehand for better results. If this tutorial helped, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you later.